Hello, my name is Ruhani, and we're here at the Ouch podcast studio. I have Brent and Shaurya with me today, and we're going to be talking about relationships and a variety of them.
Okay, so Ruhani, were you in a relationship before?
Yes, I was. Were you guys in a relationship before?
Yes, I was in a relationship before. Maybe 1 year ago.
How many relationships have you been in?
5.
Five? No. Max to max, 3. Yeah.
What about you?
0.
Oh, so like 100 of them.
No, 0.
Hundreds of
Sab
zeros.
mazak hai, haan.
Okay,
Sab
I'm gonna
double
send this to your
zeros.
girlfriend, and I'm gonna be like,
Yeah,
oh, he
that's a
said
nice idea.
0. Shit. Anyways, so did your relationship, like all of them, did they end in like good terms or bad terms? Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
So the relationships that y'all have been in, did they mostly end in bad terms or good terms or neutral?
For me, all in good terms.
Really? So
No.
like
Yeah.
good terms in what sense?
Me ending the relationship. No, in the first relationship, the girl had ended the whole relationship. वो था एक. That was sad. क्योंकि first time जब relationship में होता है तो
No, by good term, bad term. Okay. Getting emotional here, don't get sentimental. But then by good term and bad term, he's trying to get into a relationship with you. That's a sign.
I'm not into gay people.
Don't give him the mic. He literally just moved it 5 times.
Yeah.
See, they're
Guys,
in a
we are in a
relationship
relationship
right now.
right
So
now. I
Okay.
love him.
No,
By-
no, I'm single.
by good term and bad term, I mean, like, did y'all fight and y'all don't talk anymore, or did y'all end as friends and you are in touch
I don't
with them?
remember. I actually don't remember. बहुत time पहले था.
Bad
Don't hold the
terms,
mic.
yeah,
Don't
yeah.
hold the mic. Don't hold the mic.
Yeah, he
Don't hold the
was
mic.
in-
Don't
he
hold the
was in
mic.
bad
Don't
terms.
hold the mic. Don't
तुझे
hold the
बहुत
mic.
पता है मेरे बारे में. तेरे कितने relationships थे? बोल.
Ooh, really? I can name like 10 people right
What
now.
about you? How many did you have?
I'd want to say 2, but then I'll have to count the one in the middle.
Yeah, you have to
Are you
obviously.
counting the
You mean
black
3?
All of them are black.
Yeah, oh my days.
Black Lives Matter.
Exactly.
I love my black community. My
Why
black
are we
queens.
being? Why are we getting into racism here? Let's not. Okay. So I have 3 of them. One of them lasted for a little more than a year, and it ended really badly. He went to his so-called girl best friend, and now they're dating
For a year.
for a year.
Year?
For a year, yeah,
Solid.
for a year. Sorry, I screamed.
भाई ये generation में year भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है achievement. Personally मेरी
See,
है
I
तो.
think social media has ruined relationships,
That's true.
dating, and like all the standards.
That's true.
But let's not change the topic here. The second one, it lasted for a month, and the thing is, I didn't really like him like that. I was gaslighted into liking him
Then why did you even get into a relationship?
because
with
I
him?
was gaslighted into liking him.
What do you mean by gaslighting?
So like most of his friends, they kept forcing me to date him. They were like, you like him, date him. And I was like, no, he's just a friend. Like we started talking because he told me that he likes me, and I was like, oh damn.
Like ये time की relationships, the whole point is to just make out and have a sexual.
Yeah, that's how my recent relationship ended actually. All he wanted
Actually. Okay.
all he wanted was
Okay,
like,
yeah, so-
physical stuff, and I didn't want that. And then he said, oh, but like the point of dating is to have physical stuff. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh,
that's
right.
true. It's 50-50.
But then he meant 100%.
No, that's not.
And
that's
I wasn't
not
even
nice.
ready to give 50. And if he truly liked me, he would have understood that, and he would have, said, oh, I'm sorry. Mhm.
So
He has a lot to say about his
yeah,
relationships.
actually he should because he's the most experienced.
Don't give him the mic. Please don't.
He's the most experienced person among us.
What would you do if you were in place of that guy?
Which guy?
The physical
your
guy.
ex.
I would have maintained my boundary, and I would have respected the other like partner's point of view. Or like if you don't want to do that, okay, I won't force you.
But तेरा mindset अलग होता है if you were a guy.
Who says I'm not a guy?
Do you have a?
No.
Then how is that?
But then my soul, I am a man from inside. We're definitely adding that. That was amazing. Okay. I hit that note really well.
वो मीम का ये ना that guy जो
Sparrow.
पाकिस्तानी बंदा है. मैं अभी अंडे से निकला हूँ. Ouch! Ow! Ow!
No, you have to hit that.
You do it. That sounded like Michael Jackson, but इसका थोड़ा upgraded version of Michael Jackson.
Okay.
मुझे ये एडिटिंग करने के लिए साउंड इफेक्ट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे रूहानी है, वही कर लेगी.
Yeah, if I was that guy, I would have actually jumped off the 23rd floor of the society.
Why not 30th floor?
Because there is no 30th floor. There wasn't a 30th floor that time.
But you know, hotels में 30th floors
Hotel.
banned. Yeah, hotels में.
Hotel.
Have you ever made out in a hotel?
Hotel.
Have you?
Hotel.
Surely,
Leto.
have you ever made out in a hotel room? No, wow,
I've
that's
never
not
made out.
us.
I have never made out. What do you mean made out in a hotel room?
In the staircase area where fire exit के वहाँ पे.
I have never done that. I don't plan on doing that very soon.
Why? वैसे कुछ fantasy जैसा नहीं है क्या?
I don't feel comfortable in thinking about all of that, so why do it if I'm not comfortable thinking
What if you
about
get a Nigerian guy in the hotel and then
it? No thanks.
he's muscular, he's big, he's tall.
Ew. Ashton Hall.
He's like Ashton Hall.
No,
Ashton
yeah,
Hall.
you can take it that way.
Wait, can we mute this shit for a second?
Yeah, वो मैं कर लूँगा. Blur भी आवाज़ डाल.
Okay, no,
दूँगा.
I was gonna say something.
What about I show
Because
speed or
The guy that I'm going
I
to
show
date, his
speed?
name's Ashton.
Actually,
Yeah. And his,
so what if you see Ashton Hall? What would you do?
I would run with him. Like, you know,
He's damn fast.
I
I think you
know.
should date. I should.
I want to bark, but I don't want to.
Yeah, go ahead. That's fine.
No. Okay, bro, were you just born? What, puppy?
Yeah, I can also make that noise. वो जो होता है ना, जो dogs ऐसे झगड़े में आ जाते तो.
Growling.
My friend used to do that. That was crazy.
This shit's gonna get too many views now that we have guys whimpering in here. But okay.
Shall you try? Damn. You should try it now.
No thanks.
You have to. वरना
I'll
वीडियो में
pass.
निकाल देंगे.
हाँ?
वीडियो से निकाल देंगे.
निकाल दो.
करना यार.
Views ही नहीं आएंगे.
अच्छा नहीं you don't do it.
लड़की को ये सब करवा रहे देख लो. Cancel them. Cancel them.
नहीं ऐसे
Cancel
कुछ,
them.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है यार.
What is the point of?
What is the point of what?
This podcast?
It's just random.
Okay,
I want.
if you were in a situation where I don't know actually.
If I was in a situation where I have to choose between a black girl and a white girl, I would have chosen the white girl.
Because you're racist.
No, because I like the.
Because
light
you're white.
color. Yeah. Would you choose a white guy?
No.
Would you think about choosing? अबे तू क्या कर रहा है? क्या तू मेरे हाथ से हाथ क्यों मिला
He
रहा
wants
है?
to touch you. Let him touch you.
पीछे से चिमटी मार रहा है, मत कर. इतना ही बनना है सर ठीक.
I would probably like think of choosing a white person, but then the thing is, I've realized that all of my past
Crunches.
Do you think your parents will accept a black guy for marriage?
my parents won't accept
Because-
any guy for marriage.
So are you gonna die single?
I'm gonna turn lesbian.
Yeah, I think that's a nice answer.
क्योंकि लड़का
Yeah.
मिलेगा भी नहीं.
अच्छा.
मतलब कोई किसी के साथ शादी करने के लिए है नहीं तो you'll turn into.
My parents don't want me to get married
Why?
because it's really problematic. Because
Do they-
nowadays
do-
marriages
Do they
don't survive.
not want the Poles' heritage to continue?
What's his surname?
Paul.
Full name.
Pole.
Paul, the voice crack.
Paul.
Pole.
Ruhani Paul.
Ruhani Pole.
I think Paul fits better.
Yeah.
Okay, Popat.
Paul is-
Okay, Mystery.
Auristic.
Huh?
Pole is more auristic.
Aura is stick. Aura is stick.
Or I stick is what I heard.
Auristic.
Aura sticky.
What are we talking about?
We're talking about relationships. I would rather choose a white girl instead of a black girl. Or I
Because
would
you're
rather choose a
racist.
brown, lightish brown girl
Oh yeah, same.
instead of
Then why are you dating dark brown guys? Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
dark
dating
Hello.
fucking dark chocolate brown guys.
Dark chocolate is really black, by
When
the
you
way.
bite them, ऐसे taste आता है या chocolate ये करके.
Try it with him. Does he taste like vanilla? And then you let me know.
I'm not even that white. Am
Right.
I?
You are.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
so
like
you're
a
black.
normal Indian बच्चा.
This is a normal Indian bacha. This is a normal Indian bacha. This is a normal Indian bacha.
The camera.
The cameraman.
ऋषि यहाँ पे आ. नहीं छोड़.
What do y'all think about Hrithik Roshan? Like his relationships?
I don't even know him that well.
Oh, so like you ain't besties?
No, I'm
Oh,
not
I thought you
besties
were.
with him. I'm besties with Narendra Modi. Yeah,
My boyfriend.
you just said he's your this. now.
Yeah, but he just texted me back, and I was like, okay.
How old is he?
I don't know.
70.
I think he's 90.
I think he's 70.
I think he's 18.
I love Modi.
Excuse me? You're talking
What?
about my man.
तो क्या भाई सबको ऐसे एक्सप्रेस करने का वो होना चाहिए चांस.
Okay.
I love Modi. He's the best.
Which is why you didn't vote for him.
I'm underage. मैं वोट किसके लिए
I
करूँ?
thought you're 18.
No, I'm not 18. I'm going to be turning 18. And wow. I'm going to be turning 18. Shit.
I love how we have absolutely like no point which is revolving, which we are revolving around. Sorry, in this.
Yeah, but that's
podcast.
the main thing about podcast, na. If you were a pizza, which
I will not
flavor-
have pineapples on me.
She pineapples. You know, if you go to Italy and वहाँ पे
Italy.
Italy.
You were definitely.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Yes.
Okay.
But if you go over there and वहाँ पे pineapples डालते हैं ना pizza के ऊपर,
It's a crime.
Yeah, I know it's a crime.
you can go to jail.
Even cutting pizza is not.
Who asked
allowed.
you to talk?
I'm the
Kids
host.
are not supposed to
I'm
speak
the
here.
host.
Kids are not
Mind
supposed
your
to
own
speak.
tone. आवाज नीचे.
बाल ठीक
पकड़
कर
रखियो
अपने.
camera.
आवाज नीचे.
Why this f***ing जादू bro?
उसे पीछे से सॉन्ग है जादू जादू. क्या क्या कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है?
He wants to hold your hand.
You know,
I'm third wheeling and I really don't like it here. I'm usually okay with third wheeling, but this is like really extreme level of third wheeling.
if you're a guy, no, actually, if you were a girl, because you're a guy, right,
Yeah, right.
from your
sorry.
soul. So, would you want a guy to approach you? Yeah, you should go over there and approach him. वैसे.
If I
Back
was
to
a
the
girl,
topic.
then would I like a man to approach me?
Yeah.
What? Approach me for what?
Why would he even approach you? पूछने के लिए ना, can I have your number? Can I have your Insta?
Yeah. Why would I not want that? Like that makes me feel okay, I'm pretty. Type
But
shit.
don't you think कि वो he's coming to you तो वो दूसरे लड़कियों के पास भी जाता होगा ऐसे ही
हाँ.
approach करने.
I would give him my Insta, right? Why would I like
And you like
converse
black
more
guys,
than
right?
that?
But he can do better. Yes. Yes.
You're not one to talk.
Yes.
You're not one to talk. Let me remind you who dated you.
Let me remind you who dated you. You dated black guys. I'm telling you.
At
Whoa,
least
we
my
like black guys.
relationship.
We like black
Black
guys.
At least my
We like the
relationship
black
lasted,
color.
unlike yours, a day.
Oh, a date who?
अरे तू हाथ क्या लगा रहा है?
Do you want me to name her now?
No.
Yeah, right.
I feel like if a girl approaches me, I wouldn't like
Why
it.
would she? People like, are you sure they're girls? Have you confirmed yet?
नहीं पैंट खोल के देखा नहीं है तो पता नहीं क्या होगा.
अभी बहुत dark हो गया.
तू बात क्यों करता है कैमरा की?
तू इतना काला नहीं तो दिख जाएगा भाई. You don't worry about it.
नहीं नहीं शौर्या नहीं दिखेगा. वो इंडियनिश कलर है. इंडियनिश उसका रात में ना ऑरा
देखो
माइनस.
जादू है ना, he can light himself up type shit.
What?
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 I'm saying he's Jadoo, he can probably light himself up.
It's for Jazz.
दिखना तो चाहिए ना ऐसे मतलब wanna be BTS type shit.
Do you like BTS?
No.
Then what do you like?
Um,
Korean people?
K-pop.
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 I like Hrithik Roshan.
A lot. But
Hrithik
he's old
Roshan.
now.
Is he
I
better
know.
than Narendra Modi?
Yeah.
He is. नहीं यार, I think
Fake
Narendra.
girlfriend.
See, Narendra Modi got an 8-pack. I'd prefer a 6-pack over an 8-pack.
What do you think about hair? White hair or black hair?
Oh
Parts.
my god, please guys. Can we keep it PG-13? We have like 10-year-old kids watching this.
No भाई,
Yeah, we
मैं
do.
उनके लिए ban कर लूँगा video. No entry.
You guys look.
Stop touching me. गुदगुदी क्यों कर रहा है तू? कोई लड़की करती सी है, समझ जाता, बट तू कर रहा है, बहुत weird लग रहा है. Muscular आदमी ऐसे,
Muscular from his angle, bro.
mid muscular आदमी ऐसे हाथ
कुछ
लगा
भी,
रहा है.
have you seen my dad?
देखा body देखा. Oh my god, oh my god. Wow.
I started throwing up. इतना he's literally shivering.
अरे मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं बहुत टाइम से.
Oh,
तो शिवर क्यों कर रहा है?
Okay.
Show your abs. वो कौन सा meme था?
Family pack.
अच्छा, I thought he was going to show it up. देखो.
Please don't. We have kids here. They do not want to see a grown ass man doing all of that.
With hair. Yeah, with hair.
Oh,
What do you
Huh?
mean? अरे with hair, body पे hair होता है यार, सब मर्दों को.
I thought he said with head. What do you guys think about the hentai virus? No, don't say it. Don't say
Don't
it.
worry guys, I'll take the hentai virus. I'll protect you all from that hentai virus. Henta virus, not hentai. Henta.
Yeah, sure. Bro, all this man is doing is like licking his lips since the past 15 minutes. I can bet you. Just check the recording. That's all he's doing.
Might be more than 15.
Right. How many minutes has it been? Right.
Shit, yeah.
So, what do you guys think about the society?
It's the society is fucked
Really?
up.
Do you
It
guys
depends
think
now.
there are any good-looking guys here?
In this building.
No.
माँ मुझे सब दिखाई दे रहा है
चश्मे दे. नहीं, चश्मे नहीं
है
चाहिए
मेरे
होता है.
पास. Right. Yeah,
Why do you think the society is fucked?
because of the men here.
What do you mean by because of the men?
Recently, there was an incident where this girl was walking, minding her own business, and a guy who wanted to hook up with her, but he couldn't because she said no, she rejected him. He pulled down her pants in public, and it's actually real, it's not fake.
Those are
In front of-
uneducated guys. वो लोग
Yeah, in front, and he's 21, she's 16, in front of her parents.
the age difference.
And then there was a grown ass man who was actually like supporting him with what he did. And he was like, every girl who lives in the society who is 16 years old is not a virgin.
वो सब uneducated people होंगे ना.
And he said that to my dad, and my dad took it really seriously because I am a 16-year-old girl and I am a virgin.
अच्छा, ये news पे नहीं आया अभी तक.
Nay, it's very old. Not very old, but then it's old.
How
We're
old
not
are
adding
you?
that up there.
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
16.
17.
16.
17.
16.
17 for the camera. 17.
I'm 18.
I'm 21.
I'm 10.
Aren't you too short for 21, bro? Like,
Height doesn't matter यार, actually में.
okay, so I know dwarfs exist, but then
Do
there is an actual 21 or
21-year-old, yeah.
who is shorter than him.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people who are short, like actual dwarf short. But यार बेचारे लोग ऐसे ही पैदा.
Shorter, stop that!
PG-13 यार बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे.
Hi. Oh, hi.
ये हम लोग को ये बैकग्राउंड नॉइज निकालना पड़ेगा. सब बच्चे आरू 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 कर रहे हैं. This is too bullshit अभी. But अभी for example, you go to your friend's place
Mhm.
and your crush is. Do you have a crush at?
Jolly.
What?
Her crush's name is
Ew.
Jolly.
नहीं है ना. But
Hair
what
crush
if
है,
है ना.
but not on
नाम
Jolly.
मत बताओ, वो सब लोग इंस्टा पे देख लेंगे.
Okay.
Hypothetically, if you go to someone's place and your crush is sleeping next to another girl, which is your best friend? Actual में नहीं है best friend.
Mhm.
So what would you do?
Wouldn't
They
do
both are
anything.
friends. They both are friends. They're sleeping on the same bed. सब ऐसे मिल रहे हैं दोस्त, you know.
I wouldn't give a. Shit, I wasn't supposed to say that. So,
My God, bro.
don't get back with a
What the
joke.
fuck, man? Get your ass on.
सारे experienced player है बच्चों को शो कराने.
रुवानी के मिलेंगे.
Why is he creeping up to the child?
हाँ.
I got left undelivered.
Is that cool?
No.
Why?
But then he leaves everyone undelivered, so it's fine, I guess.
Your crush? That's not right.
Imagine how many girls he talks to.
Me.
And
And his sister. And his best friends.
and
He's
best friends
mostly
मतलब
gay.
girl best friends
bro.
or guy? He's gay?
No, he. Fuck you, no, he's not. Okay, give me that situation again. I forgot.
Okay, so hypothetically, if you go into your friend's place and वहाँ से you see your crush and your best friend sleeping, not sleeping together, sleeping मतलब सो रहे, लेटे हुए
I know.
on the bed, what would you do? मतलब, would you get mad?
No, I'd let them sleep, bro. They're tired little children.
एक blanket के अंदर पैर ऐसे ऐसे
I trust my best friend. She wouldn't do anything like that. I trust him. He wouldn't do anything
yeah,
like
you
that.
should have trust in this kind of situations. हाँ ऐसे ही करते होंगे तो.
Then that's just giving sibling energy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Or they're touching each other's stomach.
ओए example दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
My best friend wouldn't do that,
What if the
and
guy and she's like enjoying
he
it?
wouldn't do that. Trust me.
What if?
He
Hypothetical.
wouldn't.
Hypothetical.
Then I'll just be like, "Yo, I'm watching,"
And then,
and then he'd not do that anymore.
you know, I love Deepak Kalal. If
I
he's
don't know who
watching
he
this
is.
video,
I like
If-
Rakhi Sawant.
Both
Yeah.
of you give them a flying kiss. For example, Deepak Kalal is watching and Rakhi Sawant is watching.
what do you
कर
say?
लिया.
What would you say to Rakhi Sawant? अभी.
Abhi.
हाँ अभी वीडियो देख लिया.
I want Rakhi Sawant and Sparrow का collab, please.
But राखी सावंत तो इंडिया में, स्पैरो तो लंदन में.
तो राखी सावंत दुबई जा सकती है, वो लंदन नहीं जा सकती.
पॉइंट तो है, बट आई थिंक लंदन में वो चाहिए होता है वीज़ा बनाने के लिए. यू नीड अ गुड.
So
No?
she has the money, she will do that. Are we forgetting that Rakhi Sawant is a celebrity? She's not some random auntie who lives here.
बस हो गया actually बस. आधा घंटा हो गया.
तूने बात क्या किया, तू वो बोल.
बेचारा. I'm telling you, all that he did was. Like,
ओके सो कंक्लूजन क्या है अभी ये रिलेशनशिप के इसमें?
that social media has ruined the standards and ruined the meaning of
Real
having a relationship
relationships.
with someone or being with someone.
Definitely.
And that you can't call a 1 or 2 month thingy a relationship or
Situationship?
dating.
1 month free trial.
You can't call it anything. It's basically a free trial,
1
to
month
be
free
really
trial.
honest. Because if you're together for, I mean, I don't want to set this as a standard. Ki if you're more than, I mean, what? If you're together for more than 4 months, that's called dating. No, but then, you know, because a lot of people, they just date a certain someone for the popularity. What do you want, bro?
इन स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस ना वो वहाँ पे ही होता है. और
क्या चाहिए तुझे? क्या हो रहा है? फड़फड़ा रहा है तू कब से?
मेरे को भूख लगी है.
सर खा ही रहा है कब से? क्या कर रहा है? क्या मतलब?
What's the conclusion? The world wants to know. What's the conclusion?
You need to learn how to girl.
Okay,
You
sorry.
need to learn how to make things work out and not just end things if you fought once or twice. And oh my god, stop with the cheating, bro. You're not tough.
Me?
No, you in general.
Not me. I
Yeah.
have never cheated.
Right.
Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I want to see more of you guys.
Hello?
Anything you want to say?
I feel really uncomfortable.
एक सेकंड मैं तो वो भूल ही गया कि if Deepak Kalal is watching our reels, sorry not reels, my bad, YouTube videos, I want to say Deepak Kalal, you've been an inspiration to cockroach. You've been an inspiration to me. I love वो वाला वीडियो जहाँ पे you said मेरे होटल में bananas उगाए मैंने. I love that video. And what about Rakhi Sawant?
She's an icon. She's a baddie. I love her. Please, Sparrow and Rakhi Sawant collab.
Collab. मैं अभी अंडे से निकला हूँ. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
We'll see you never.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you never.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Bro,
Good night.
cameraman बेचारा थक गया है, रोक दो इसे.